To finally get rid of acne, you just need to try the best clear skin tip that has been passed down to us from the Middle Ages. In England and France, this herb was the secret ingredient in creams that women used to apply on their faces to get the glass skin. You can actually make this cream yourself, and later I will show you how. But first, let's go to America, where in 2018, researchers at the University of California rediscovered this forgotten herb. Did I mention I'm talking about calendula? So the researchers proved that calendula is very powerful anti-inflammatory, which easily fights acne and redness, and it can do even more. Imagine walking in a hot day in a smoky city. What a trauma that could be for your skin. Fortunately, calendula helps here as well. It protects your skin from UV radiation and polluted air, and it slows down skin aging because it works as an antioxidant, preventing DNA damage in your skin cells. Now, let's see how can you easily make your own calendula cream at home. Pick some fresh calendula, though dried flowers work too. Wash them and put them in a pot. Heat the flowers in a fat or coconut oil. Put into the boil once, then cover and let it sit overnight. The next day, heat it again and strain it. And your cream is ready. Don't forget to store it in the fridge. You can add a few drops of vitamin E to the cream, which will make your skin even healthier. Oh, and by the way, vitamin D also helps slow down skin aging.